Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to scan for malwares and suspicious activity in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and here click on app security and then click on app protection. Now to scan for malwares and suspicious activity, click on scan phone and then it will start scanning your phone for malwares or other apps that have suspicious activity in your mobile. So after completing the scan, it will show you the results of the scan. So if there is any app which has the suspicious activity, or if you have any malware, it will suggest you to delete it. Otherwise it will show no threats found option. So that's how you can scan for malwares and suspicious activity in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.